So, hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today in this video, I'll be unboxing the Cosmic Byte ARES wireless controller. And let's see what all things do we have in this box. So without wasting any further time, this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech. Let's get started. So this is the box of our Cosmic Byte ARES controller. On the sides, you just have the info about the product, then about the brand. So let's just open this from the top. Here we go. So let's just get this out of this box, and yeah, I thought the connector was missing, but yeah, it is there. There's nothing much inside the box. Let's just keep this aside. So this is our controller. Let's keep this aside and first look at the things that we get with this. So we have two cables over here. The first one that we have is USB on the one end, and on the other end, yeah, here it goes. So on the other end, we have the Type C. So it's USB to Type C. Let's keep this aside and check the other cable. So this one, I think, yeah, it is the USB extender. So we can extend our cable length using this easily. And this is the connector, which will help us to connect this controller with our systems. Let's keep this aside, and here we have the user manual. So I just prefer showing the complete user manual because sometimes what we do when we buy this product, we just throw the box and the user manual. So if you have bought this product already and just want to check around the user manual, you can take the screenshots of this. And that's it. Let's just keep this aside and let's have a look on our main device, that is the controller. So the first in-hand feel that I get with this controller is good. You can see it has a combination of matte and glossy texture. The controller is completely good. The buttons are very tactile. We have a RGB also in this, but it's like a static one, or you can say you cannot adjust it manually. Then we have pressure sensitive triggers. I am thinking to bring a review video of this so that I can discuss in depth about this particular controller. Since this video is just for the unboxing purpose, do let me know in the comment that if you want a detailed video of this controller. So these are the RGB that I was talking about. So yeah, that's it. So this is all about this controller. If you like the video, do hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Also subscribe the channel if you like this kind of content. Thank you for watching, and guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.